While most car companies were busy with their old models and marketing strategies, Tesla engineers were quietly working behind the scenes on a groundbreaking new technology. This isn't just a new engine, it's a solid indication that Tesla has already begun the race for the coming years. Elon Musk has done it again, unleashing a breakthrough that opens the doors to the future. This is not a minor technological advancement, it's a leap that could put Tesla miles ahead of the competition. A motor so smart, so powerful, and so precise that many experts are calling it technology from time travel. This new electric motor is faster, lighter, and more energy efficient than ever before. There's no noise, no delay. The system responds instantly, making the driving experience smoother and more controlled than ever. Tesla has optimized the motor through advanced design and software integration, allowing it to produce more output with less energy. And perhaps this is the moment where Tesla has jumped far ahead of the rest. But that brings us to an important question. How did Tesla do this? What is the technology behind it, and what will it change? The story begins with Tesla's revolutionary motor, a motor that hasn't just changed the car, but changed the game entirely. Before we go further, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on key updates in technology. Today, when you look at the roads, it's clear the world is going through a massive transformation. Electric cars are replacing petrol and diesel vehicles at a rapid pace. Electric vehicles, which were once seen as mere experiments, are now becoming a necessity and a top priority for countries worldwide. Elon Musk has said it many times in interviews, the future belongs to electric vehicles. Today, nations like the US, China, India, and much of Europe are investing heavily in the EV industry. Governments are offering subsidies, companies are launching new models, and charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly. By 2030, many countries plan to completely phase out petrol and diesel vehicles. It's becoming clear that EVs are no longer just an option. They are the need of the hour. Whether it's China's BYD, America's Tesla, or India's Tata, all major players are now in the race, offering new EV models. And more importantly, these vehicles aren't just better for the environment, they are proving to be practical for everyday people thanks to their long range, low maintenance, and economical running costs. Talking about Tesla, Elon Musk didn't just join the EV movement, he started it. And now that the entire industry is shifting toward electric vehicles, Tesla is leading the charge. The era of EVs has truly begun. If you haven't taken this shift seriously yet, you may be left behind in the years to come. Only those companies, governments, and individuals who adapt quickly to this change will be able to thrive. Tesla has been at the forefront of electric vehicle technology for years, but this time, the step they've taken isn't just progress, it's a leap forward that could shock the entire industry. Elon Musk and his engineering team have introduced a new kind of electric motor that could completely reshape the EV race. The most important part of this new motor is its carbon-wrapped rotor. While the term might sound technical, the benefits are extraordinary, so much so that experts around the world are paying close attention. Traditional motors rely on metal parts, which heat up, expand, and wear down over time. This naturally limits their performance, whether it's speed or power. But Tesla's new carbon fiber rotor breaks these limitations. It can rotate at incredibly high speeds without overheating, bending, or wearing out quickly. Its stability is so advanced that it can operate at over 20,000 RPM, revolutions per minute, without breaking down, far beyond the 16,000 RPM, where most high-performance motors begin to falter. Tesla's innovation sets a new benchmark in motor technology, not merely as an upgrade, but as a total redesign that transforms both the structure and performance of the motor. The biggest advantage? It's faster, lighter, and more durable. It delivers more torque with less energy consumption, and it can run continuously for long periods. Metals have been used in its manufacture, which reduces its cost and makes it easier to produce on a large scale. This aspect is especially important because it allows the company to speed up production, which is necessary to meet the rapidly increasing demand for electric vehicles, EVs. While other companies are still focused on improving traditional motor technologies, Tesla has already prepared for the next generation with this new design. As a result, Tesla gains an edge not only in terms of performance, but also in production cost and scalability. This new motor from Tesla addresses major long-standing issues in electric vehicles, particularly battery consumption and limited range. It doesn't drain the battery as quickly as older performance models. Instead, it uses energy more efficiently. The technology is extremely balanced, delivering more power with less energy loss. Its design also keeps temperatures under control without the need for a heavy cooling system. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, the motor makes the car more stable, quieter, and smoother than ever before. One of the biggest concerns in the EV segment has always been whether the car can travel long distances without frequent charging. Tesla's new motor eliminates this concern to a large extent. It offers high performance while keeping battery consumption in check. This means fewer charging breaks, a longer range, and less stress on the battery. Driving, therefore, becomes not just a means of transportation, but an experience of confidence. Users no longer have to choose between speed and utility. They get both, without compromise. Most interestingly, Tesla has kept cost in mind while developing this technology. The motor has been simplified and uses fewer rare metals, which reduces manufacturing costs. This directly benefits the consumer through lower prices or improves profits for the company. While other companies are still trying to strike this balance, Tesla has already achieved it and is moving toward making it the new industry standard. The race for electric vehicles is far from over. Major global players like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen have invested heavily to establish their presence in the EV market. At the same time, new startups like Lucid and Rivian have entered with fresh ideas and innovative technologies. Chinese companies like BYD are also steadily increasing their sales. For a moment, it seemed that Tesla's dominance might waver. But then, Tesla introduced its new carbon-wrapped motor, and everything changed. While traditional automakers have been busy creating electric versions of internal combustion engine, ICE cars, Tesla has been designing EVs from scratch. Many of its vehicles are built on completely new platforms that are lightweight, efficient, and deliver better performance. While legacy manufacturers are still producing EVs in plants originally built for petrol or diesel vehicles,